Hey guys, Diecast Direct, and today we're going Hot Wheels hunting at Walmart. The cars are 94 cents, and there are 4 different bins, so we gotta start looking. And especially that this Walmart closes in less than 10 minutes. So we're basically on a really big hurry right now, guys. It's dark outside, we gotta do this. Let's take a look at what we can find. Starting us off, I'm seeing a lot of new models. We got the P1 here, which I will be taking. Definitely seeing a lot of new models here. This one is I can't miss this one, the Street Wiener. Add that to the collection. I don't know if I can keep those guys, but let's keep looking. Now there is some older models. Definitely hoping to get some super treasure hunts today. This is a nice one, but I already have this one. What is that on that? What is that, guys? It's pretty stuck on there. So if you guys can comment below what you think that is. I'm not even sure. Let's take a look at what's in this one. I'm closing in 10 minutes, so gotta hurry up here. Let's keep looking. 4 bins. Definitely have to look more in depth. Yellow bone shaker, gotta pick this one up, especially from Forza collection. Let's keep looking at what we can find. Got a squishy. We don't really need that right now. We're just taking Hot Wheels, guys. Quick little search here, but maybe I'm hoping to make this a 5-minute video. But we got a lot of cars, guys. A lot of them. This one I gotta pick up, the 2005 Ford Mustang. Let's take a look at what's in this one. Hopefully we can find something good. Very nice Zamac. Hopefully we can find something else that's pretty good. This is definitely a nice one. We'll be picking this one up for sure. Let's keep looking. Hopefully we will find something good today. Definitely seeing some older models and some new models. Quite a mix here today, guys. This is a very nice one. We'll be picking this one up too. Hopefully unboxing it even. I guess this maybe should stay sealed. The very last one, let's check it out, guys. We don't have a lot of time here anyways. But hopefully we are able to find something pretty good or pretty amazing. Now I don't see any super treasure hunts. This one I'm not sure if it's a Zamac, but it looks like a Zamac. Unfortunately I do have some of those, actually 3 or 2. Let's keep looking. Very nice. Does not look like I have a lot of cool cars here. Definitely like this one. We'll be picking this one up. Guys, I'm seeing a lot of cool cars here, especially in this bin. Something amazing, something out of the ordinary that I will like. I guess this is the last bin to look through. The rest already have been looked through, and you can see I'm also doing this after Boxing Day, after all the sales, so it may seem a little messed up. This is a nice one. Let's pick this one up. Guys, I'm really thinking that my pile will fall right there. Let's just hope it does not fall, because if it does, well, then we're definitely going to have a little bit of a problem. Now, this looks like about all the cars I'll be taking for today. As you can see, lots of cars. 4 bins right there. We're taking the Street Wiener, this Chrysler 300C, the Ford Mustang, the McLaren P1. We got the very nice Camaro. The bone shaker is under there, the yellow bone shaker. We got the nice little jet from Star Trek. Oh, sorry, Guardians of the Galaxy. And we got the 32 Ford. Guys, these are all the cars I'll be taking. Again, I'm not even sure if that's an error, if that's from the Hot Wheels factory, or just someone's dumb. Let's see. Maybe we'll do a quick little check here. This is nice. Let's add this to the pile. The Sky F1. Definitely. Can't add that unless I was going to unbox it. But I do need some helicopters in the collection. What's this? Okay, guys. So this is about it. I'm not seeing much cars. Here's all the cars I'll be taking. Here's some videos you might want to check out. Also subscribe if you can. Remember, we're at 100 subscribers. As you guys can see, we got 8 minutes, so here's all the cars I'll be taking. I will see you in the next one. Peace.